Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first, just press up or down volume button of your device and you'll see here the bell icon. Just click twice on the bell icon. Now we can see the message that calls and notifications will be muted. This means that that switch is successfully turned on the silent mode. If you want to turn off silent mode, just press again the power one from the volume buttons and click once on the bell icon, and you will see the message here that calls and notifications will ring. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.